Famous. If I broke them my business. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and on today's video I'm going to show you guys how to install this cute queenish wig. So if you want to see how I installed this wig, stay tuned, watch the video till the end, subscribe to this channel, please subscribe to this channel and be part of this family. And to the new subscribers, you're all welcome, and I'm your girl Mercy Myers. So let's get into the video without talking too much, and I hope you enjoy each and every bit of it. And don't forget to give it a thumbs up, please guys. So the first thing that I usually do is take a toothbrush and brush my hair going backwards, because I'm not a big fan of wig caps. Yeah, so like, yeah. And with doing this, like, the hair just goes flat. And sometimes I also use mousse to make the hair even flatter at the front. Yeah. And the thing is that since my lines my cornrows are flat, I usually don't see the use of using a wig cap, but if you prefer using a wig cap, use it, but for me, not necessary. Yeah. So for the first step, that's basically it, because everything is laid from the front, and yeah. So here is the wig. I also got this one from Jersey Collection. It's on Instagram. If you go to Instagram and just Google Jersey Collection, it will bring it there. It will take you there. It's brown in color, and yeah. And I had them cut the lace for me, because when I cut the lace myself, I usually cut it the wrong way. So I had them cut the lace for me, making even the work more easier. Yeah. So the first thing that I'm going to do is apply my setting powder on the lace, just to match my skin tone.
Ask the question, then you said it. Always saying things you're regretting. Can't erase the steps we've taken. Can't go back to the time and place we met. I was so upset, but you made it all better. Now it's messing with my head, yeah. We don't say goodbye the best.
And this is how it looks in the inside. It also has these hooks. So right now I'm just trying like to set the, are they called, like the hooks or what, in their right places.
I was dreaming that we'd make it. In the rear view, our reflection is a stranger to the time and place we met. I was so upset, but you made it all better.
And this is what I'm going to use to hold the wig in place.
know we didn't learn our lesson, but if you want, can we try again? Try again. Oh yeah. Try again. Can we pass the test this time? I can call you mine. We can hit read.
So I think I'm just going to give it like a couple of minutes.
You don't even know me like that. Are you pressed for time? Put you in my mind.
Then I'm going to apply the second layer.
Come a little closer like that.
And while using the blow dry, you don't want to put it on like on a hot temperature, but cool.
Smiling while you're cursing. I admit it's working. You're working. Don't care, you're crazy, it's perfect. Shaky and I'm slurring. 'Cause I'm nervous. It's you. It's you. Oh, you. The second I saw you, I'm nervous that it's you. I'm nervous.
So I think that's enough, and I'm just going to use the blow dry again to dry it off first.
You don't wanna go back.
Yeah.
And all the lines been going from. But let me push again back. Been losing my mind, like being lost in your blue eyes. All my plans reversing. You know that it's working. You're working. Don't care, you're crazy, it's perfect. Shaky and I'm slurring. 'Cause I'm nervous. It's you. It's you. Oh, you. The second I saw you, I'm nervous that it's you. I'm nervous. I'm nervous. I'm nervous that it's you. I'm just saying, I can't ignore you. I'm not playing. Might mess up and fall for you.
Okay, so I decided that while the glue was still drying, I'm going to do the rest of my face, which I've already done, but not all of it. So I want to see if the glue is okay or I'm supposed to add more. So I'm just going to wait for it to be warm or hot. I'm just going to apply the wig serum for it to be soft, because so I think it's fine. I'm just going to finish off my makeup and come and show you guys the final look, because I think we're done. But first, let me finish off flat ironing. Well, I don't think if there's a need of the baby hairs, or yeah, because I think I'm cute. But let me finish off flat ironing, finish off my makeup, and come and show you guys if there'll be a need of baby hair. We'll see, but let's finish off.
Walking away, your words are lost on me. It's taking everything not to turn around. Throw it away. See if you'll let go of me when you're not holding me. I can see it now.
Finesse. If I broke them my business. Yeah, so guys, this is the final look. We've come to the end of this video, and this is what I've settled for. I've decided that I'm not going to do the baby hairs because it's not necessary. Yeah, it's not necessary. Can you look, guys? Leave a comment below, tell me what you think about this look. Rate it from 1 to 10, and please be fair. Be fair, guys. Rate it from 1 to 10 in the comment section below. Yeah, and not forgetting to subscribe. Please subscribe to this channel, share with your friends so that we can be more and more and more and more and more. Thank you, and let me see you on my next video. Bye.
Everything was on the line. Didn't want to be the one who had to say it. No, I can't rewind the time. Promise I'll put down my pride. Don't look back because I mean it when I say it.